Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you, it's a very short tutorial, but if you're looking for to add some stickers to your cards in Trello, to your boards, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So please follow along with me, watch this video. So now let's jump right into the video. What you gotta do, just go here, tab on three dots, and here we have stickers. Click on stickers, grab a sticker, move a sticker, put some stickers there, and now you can add as many stickers as you want. Ain't no problem. Okay, you want stickers, you can add stickers. You want stickers, you can add stickers. You want the sticker, you can add stickers. Okay, you can add stickers. We want stickers, we can add stickers. Okay, I want stickers, we can add stickers.